Oh my gosh. Birds have nested in our grill. Literally. Mom just said, Mama bird, Mama bird, Mama bird. Dad's gonna get hurt. Jeez. Look at it. See it? It's in our grill. Literally. That is awful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're going to pick the nest up with a shovel. Then they're gonna... Oh my gosh. Okay. They literally just took a bird's nest that had eggs and baby birds in out of the grill and then just put it in the creek. Well, by the woods. Won't the mama bird notice? I mean, how is she supposed to know where the nest is? That was tragedy.
Emma, what you barking at? What you barking at?
Shush. Shush.
Emma, shush. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Subscribe to anything. No, not anything. Subscribe to the good YouTubers. That's all. Emma, what you barking at? What you barking at? Say hi to Emma. Peace.
Break it down like do do da da do 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 da do do da 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 da. DJ Emma out.